In this video tutorial, we are going to show you how to make a Google form, actually the data collection form or the online registration form easily. So if you want to be an expert in making such a wonderful Google form like this, watch the video till the end. So let's begin the topic. To make a Google form, actually the online registration form, you need a Google account, the Gmail account. You have to go to your browser, you have to write Google Drive, then you have to sign in your Google Drive. Let me sign in. And here is my Google Drive. So let me go to new. Here you will find Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides and Google Forms. Let me click on Google Forms. Now I have to rename it. Here is the untitled form. I have to write here the live class on PowerPoint. Let me write the form description. Here is the form description. So live class on PowerPoint. Now I have to add some questions like this: email, your name, contact number, gender. Will you attend the live class? So what I have to do? I have to click on here add question. Then let me write here email. Let me click here short answer and click on required. So this field will be required like this. Without answering this field, Google form will show the error. So if I want to the preview here, let me click on this. You will see live class on PowerPoint. Here is the description and here is the question email. So I have to add more question. Here again I have to click on add question, your name, right here short answer. You can add paragraph if you want to write more line. Here is the multiple choice. I will show this. So let me click on short answer. The name is also required. Now let me click on here contact number. Here will be short answer. Let me click on required. Again click add question. Let me click here gender. So let me click here multiple choice. Here male. Here you will see the suggestions male, female, prefer not to say and others. If I click on add all, you will see the multiple choice has been added. So if I click on required, it will be required field. Again I have to add another question. Here is the untitled question. I have to write here will you attend the class? Here you will see the suggestion add all, yes, no, maybe. So if I click on add all, you will see the multiple choice. Click on required. If I click on this one is not required, so what actually show? So if I want to watch the preview, you will see this field is required, this one is required, this one is required, but this is not required. Without clicking this field, anyone can submit the data easily. Here if I click on untitled form, the form title will be replaced by live class on PowerPoint. So I have to add a cover photo. So what I have to do, let me click on customize theme. Here let me click on choose image. You can choose any image from here or you can upload a image from here. Click on browse, click on show files. Here is the image. Let me click on open and let me select by sliding this, click on done. So here is the headers and I can easily change the color, the theme color. You will see the color has been changed. Let me select this one. If I want to see the preview, this is looking so good. So if I input the data here, where the data will be stored, so I have to do something more. Here let me click on response, 0 response, click on this Excel file, create a new spreadsheet, click on create. Here a spreadsheet has been created in your Google Drive. So let me click on preview and if I write some data here, if I click on submit, you will see the response has been added here and you can easily watch the response from here. So now I have to share this Google Sheet. So what I have to do, here let me click on send, click on link, click on shorten URL and let me click on copy And if I send this link anyone, if I go to new private window and if I click on here and paste and go, here is the Google form. You can easily answer this question. You can easily click on submit, then the data will be stored into this response, and you can easily see this response from your Google Drive. Here if I reload this, you will see the live class on PowerPoint, the Excel file, and you can easily open this and you can easily see the response. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.